Welcome back, and today I'm going to be talking to you about getting a mortgage if you're a teacher on a probationary contract. If you're a teacher in your first year, it's likely that you will be on probation. So when you pass and you get qualified, you're usually in your first year, you're on probation, and some lenders won't allow you to get a mortgage using this because it's not a guaranteed salary. So if you approach your bank and they turn around and say, no, you think that's it, and you think that's the end of the line, you've been at uni for all those years, you've worked hard, you've now started your position, and banks are turning around and saying no. There are lenders out there that are willing to help you. There's lenders out there who are willing to accept the copy of your contract, and they can use this in order to provide you with a mortgage, which is really handy as a probationary teacher because you'll have your contract, you'll have your pay slips, and there's lenders out there that would accept it, which is ideal. What you would usually need to provide them is the same as everybody else. You need to prove who you are, you need to prove where you stay and what your income is. You can do that through your ID, bank statements, you can do it through your pay slips, a copy of the contract. These are the kind of things that you're going to be getting asked for if you're in your probationary year as a teacher. Now, when your probationary year ends, there are still options out there. So if you're coming to the end of your probationary year and you don't have a guaranteed contract yet, you can still get a mortgage using if you have a temporary contract again. So if you've got another year on the back of that, lenders are still okay to accept that. Not every lender, but some lenders out there. So if you're talking to your bank and they're telling you it's not possible, you need to figure out, is it not possible with them, or is it not possible from anyone? And the likelihood is that it's your bank or it's that particular lender that can't help you. So there are lenders out there that are willing to do it. You just need to know who to ask. But I hope you do find this useful. I hope that if you are in your first year as a probationary teacher that you can find value in this, and you can make sure that if you are getting declined by your bank, there are options out there. Most of the time, if you're talking to mortgage brokers like myself, we can assess the market and go out there and look at it. Sometimes your bank will say yes and you don't need that, but all the best. If you've got any questions, fire them in the comments. Cheers.